What a nice, amazing, and spectacular day here. Nothing could go wrong. Ow. Well, except for Blue, that could go wrong. What do you want, Blue? Tim! What is it, Blue? I just got the coolest toy ever! What is that supposed to be? It's a. Let me think. It's a fidget cube. Fidget? Did you say fidget cube? Yes, a fidget cube. A fidget cube? Please, no, it can't be a fidget cube. This must be on my imagination. If I close my eyes, then that's it, okay? Okay, there we go. So it looks like there's no fidget. This is real life. Come on, Tim. It can't be that bad. It's a fidget cube, so you better like it. I don't want a fidget cube, and I don't want a fidget spinner. Hey, thanks for reminding me. I want to show you my fidget spinner. Oh, please, no. Okay, come on. Take my fidget cube. Okay, let me see where your fidget spinner is. All right, here it is. Okay, first of all, why is this the same fidget spinner that we used that episode where we did that fidget spin episode? What episode? Fidget spin episode. You are dumb. Hey, that's not nice. I'm not talking to you anymore. Look, I'm sorry, Blue. It's okay. You're my best friend. Anyway, let's go back up. Fine. So, what did you thought about the fidget spinner? That was probably the worst thing I've ever saw. And I don't like the fidget cube, so don't even think about bringing anyone. Dora, can you please come over here? Hello. Hey, Dora. Ooh, what's this? It's a fidget cube! And this button is green, just like my stand. This is fun. No, it's not fun. Get this button. Get this click. These rolly thing. These things that look like buttons that look like from a dice. This roll. And these things, and here's nothing. I like it. Yes. Well, I don't like it. It's horrible. Shut up, Tim. It's good. No, it's just a stupid fidget cube. Who would like this? No one doesn't like it. It's freaking August, and no one is in the mood for this or this. So we just gotta bury these in the graveyard now because these are the worst things ever. Shut up! You're just jealous because you don't have one. I'm jealous? Yeah, you're just jealous because you don't have one. Well, I'm jealous of you now. Oh yeah? Well, I'm jealous of you now. Don't talk to me until you think my fidget cube is great. No, I'm never going to talk to you. Guys, please. I think we're like something, but this is no need to fight over a fidget cube. Okay, I'm sorry, Tim. I'm sorry, Blue. But please, no more fidget cube. And don't call no one else. Hey, SpongeBob! Darn it. Hello, Blue. What is it? Don't you like this fidget cube? Did somebody say a fidget cube? Oh, gosh, no, not Bob. He's so annoying. Come on, I'm not annoying. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. You are annoying. No, you're annoying. Babaloni. You guys are so funny when you fight. All about a fidget cube. A fidget cube, a fidget cube, a fidget cube. Fidget cube. Fidget cube. Fidget cube. Hey. please don't sing that anymore. Come on, it's a good song. It's horrible. This fidget cube is more horrible than this fidget spinner. Then why are you playing it? Shut up. I just feel bored. Then why you shut up? Okay, fine. I'll shut up. Jeez. You know what? I'm gonna destroy these once and for all. Wait, yo, Tim, what are you doing? I'm gonna destroy them. No, Tim, get over here. Tim, no, Tim. Tim, get over here. Tim, what are you doing? Stop! No, never. You know what? No more fidget spinner and ha 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 ha. No more fidget cube. How do you like that? Boo! The fidget spinner and the fidget cube will now self-destruct in about 10 seconds. What? What is the matter with you, Tim? You forgot that they explode? Oh no, those are just fake. Nope, these are real, idiot. Ha ha. Oh no. Why is it shaking? Why is it shaking? I don't know why is it shaking. You tell me it's your fault.